Hi everyone, my name is Miranda Katarba. I'm a welding technology instructor here at Alamance Community College. Currently, I'm sitting in my office. I'm gonna go ahead and step out into the shop though.
There we go. That's a little better. So, as you can see, I'm out in the shop now. This is where most of our class is held. We have a lot of our lab that's going on. As you can see, we have some cutting demonstrations. Not only do we teach a cutting process, we also have multiple welding processes that we teach. We have stick welding. We have MIG welding. We also have TIG welding. Along with our welding processes, we teach oxyacetylene cutting, and we also teach plasma cutting. This is just the beginning of what we're able to teach here. In the back, we have blacksmithing. We also have machining up in the front. We just teach so many different things here. Along with the basic welding practices that we have, we also go into more depth with fabrication, certification practices. Being such a hands-on course always proves difficult when having to relay online. Some of the terminology gets lost. Some people aren't familiar with an online platform. As well as myself, I went through this program, and when I was a student, I was not that very well with doing online courseware. So having to be an online teacher now has proven itself very difficult to me. So being able to take this class and learn a little bit more about how to convey this information on a broad spectrum, I think these types of things